the Privy Council says. The judge who heard from the police and the doctor and from Vinson is definitely the judge in a better position to weigh and assess things. And usually an appellate court, like the Privy Council, doesn't like to second guess a first instance judge, a trial judge. But this judge gave no reasons. He didn't justify why he came to this decision that he came to. And there were these obvious and troubling points that the Privy Council pointed out. So it said, without any reasons for his decision, the board is unable to conclude that the judge took into account the three troubling matters that we have referred to. Had he done so, it is difficult to see how he could rationally have concluded that the prosecution had proved beyond reasonable doubt that the confession was not obtained by beating. Similarly, it said, in its short and with respect cursory judgment, the Court of Appeal did not refer to any of those three matters, so that its decision to uphold the trial judge's decision was also wrong. The Privy Council said that was enough. Based on what they have found, not being able to understand the judge's decision, that was enough to overturn this conviction and allow this appeal. But it wanted to go further.